to remove wheel studs that have been staked in. As you can see here, use a special tool to grind those off. Spray it with a little cutting oil. You can see it's doing a pretty good job grinding that off. Needs a little bit more. That should do it. Now they can press out like a regular wheel stud.
Hey friends, we sure appreciate you watching these videos. Check us out on the web by clicking the links down below in the description and do the right thing. Give us a like, subscribe, and comment on what you saw, or even let us know if there's a product you want to see. Then hit the notification bell so you don't miss it when it comes up. We are working hard to give you good information here at Torque King. Thanks for watching, and until next time, good luck keeping your rig on the road.